Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove mention on Instagram story. First you need to open the Instagram, then scroll right and open the Instagram camera here, and for example story, and add some story, and here we can using the sticker button add some mention. And click on the done. We have here mention, and for remove this mention on our Instagram story we need to hold this mention and drag to delete, and then we removed the mention on Instagram story. This is the simple way. Just hold and drag to delete here on the bottom of the screen. And this is all for today. Goodbye.